Welcome to Wild Bytes, the channel where we bring you bite-sized facts about the most fascinating creatures in the world. Today, we're diving into the world of glass frogs, tiny, translucent creatures that call the rainforests of Central and South America their home. From their unique breeding habits to their strange defense mechanisms, we've got all the facts you need to know about these amazing creatures. Get ready to learn about the wonderful world of glass frogs, here on Wild Bytes. Glass frogs are a family of tree frogs found in Central and South America. They belong to the family of Centralenidae. But what sets these creatures apart from other frogs? Let's find out. There are around 150 species of glass frogs, and they vary in size and color. Get ready to meet some of the most colorful and interesting frogs in the world. The largest species of glass frog is the tepary glass frog, which can grow up to 3 inches in length. The smallest species of glass frog is the Noble's pygmy glass frog, which measures just 0.7 inches in length. Some species of glass frog have evolved to look like dead leaves, which helps them to blend in with their environment and avoid predators. Glass frogs have suction cup-like discs on their toes, which allow them to grip onto smooth surfaces like leaves and tree branches. Glass frogs are usually green in color, although some species may be yellow, brown, or even black. But what else makes their appearance unique and fascinating? Glass frogs have large, bulging eyes that are positioned on top of their head, giving them a wide field of vision. But how do they use their eyes to navigate their environment? Glass frogs are primarily nocturnal and spend their days hiding in vegetation, coming out at night to hunt insects and other small prey. Glass frogs have a unique call that sounds like a high-pitched whistle or chirp, which they use to attract mates. Glass frog males guard the eggs that the female has laid on a leaf, and will occasionally splash them with water to keep them moist. Glass frogs have a relatively low metabolism, which allows them to survive on a diet of small insects and other invertebrates. Glass frogs are not toxic, unlike some other species of frog, but they do have a mild defense mechanism. When threatened, they will emit a loud, high-pitched scream to startle predators. Glass frogs have tiny bumps and ridges on their skin, which help to break up their outline and make them more difficult to see. Glass frogs have a highly developed immune system, which helps them to resist infections and diseases in their native habitats. Some species of glass frog are highly territorial, and will aggressively defend their territory from other frogs. Glass frogs are relatively common in their native habitats, but some species are threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation and other human activities. Glass frogs are popular in the pet trade, but it is illegal to export wild-caught glass frogs from many countries. Glass frogs are sometimes used in scientific research, as their transparent skin makes it easy to observe their internal organs. Glass frogs are a favorite of nature enthusiasts around the world, who appreciate their unique appearance and fascinating behavior. But why are these little frogs so beloved? In some cultures, glass frogs are seen as a symbol of clean water and a healthy environment. And it's not hard to see why. These beautiful creatures thrive in the rainforest, a habitat that's vital to the health of our planet. In conclusion, glass frogs are truly amazing creatures that are full of surprises and are sure to capture your heart. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or just love to learn about unique animals, these little guys are definitely worth getting to know.